Hello beauties, welcome to Women Styles. Today I want to talk about short natural styles for different hair types. We have two black hair texture types. We have the type 3 textured hair, which is the curly hair, and we have the type 4, which is the naturally kinking hair. And sometimes this may vary in density, in thickness, and have some different hair porosity considerations that really affects your hairstyle choice. But one thing I want you to know is that they have this common benefit, like when it comes to short natural haircut, because the key is just finding that right style that will always enhance your coil pattern and meets your hair's needs. So this style, you can see how they will always boost your confidence with that fashion forward look. So this hair, like the type 3 hair, is categorized according to the coil size and can range from semi-coily tendrils to those tight corkscrews. Like they just can be styled in different ways, maybe the curly bobs or the layered curls or even the finger coils, and they really work well for looser coils and for waves. While the type 4A hair are just those soft, defined coils that holds shape and moisture better than the looser coils. So you can try some of them, which are something like the tapered curls, the twist out, that will always enhance that type 4A coil pattern. There's another one which is the type 4B, which it has this less definition, and it will really make your hair look fluffy and prone to shrinkage. It also help your hair type hold its shapes and volume. So those ones can come in those four hugs, the high puff or the sponge coils, and the rest of them. We also have those type 4C. Here you have the tightest fuzzy texture, with a minimal coil definition, which is sometimes perfect for teeny Winnie Afros or those structured fades, because the densely packed coils sometimes can even be shaped in various hues for those bold and defined look. And sometimes shrinkage is inevitable, which will always help you to create those neatly outlined styles. So let me just let you guys have all the rest of the styles we have. I appreciate you listening to me, and please watch to the end. Okay, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload.
If you have me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you have me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you have me see it, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so she don't break my heart. Can take it no more, can stand it no more. So go. If I die now, I go happy. Say when I did this world, I don't fall in love.
It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't no. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so if you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high pride. Anywhere I just go, if you help me see it go, if you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't bang my leg no. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't bang my leg go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I want to start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she don't love me and so